So, you're on the search for the best miner available, but there's a slight problem. Most are too difficult to use, don't let you mine the coin you want, or take too much of your profit. AIOMiner is here to change that, and already has for over 15,000 users. We support over 100 different mining algorithms, and it's absolutely free. We've removed the need for mining scripts, all in an easy-to-use interface, so you can mine almost any coin with just a few clicks. We have profit mode powered by whattomine.com, so you always mine the most profitable coin. We also made a $200 watchdog hardware obsolete with our automatic crash recovery feature. Sit back in your seat and relax with free online monitoring for your entire farm, along with the ability to schedule what and when you want to mine. We also have free live support on our website or our community Discord, where thousands of miners are discussing their rigs, overclocks, and the best coin to mine. So head on over to AIOMiner.com to upgrade your mining experience today.